is Rush Park. Check out 2853. So it's going down, yeah. Good. This is decent.
Yeah.
2853. It's right there. Should be right in between there.
I wonder how much you could park up here.
These are 600 grand or more.
Oh.
The one we're going to see is 620.
Let's say 2837.
How you know? Oh, it's two right beside each other. That's crazy. All right, hold this. Open up. It's like cars to drive through here?
I guess.
Okay. Don't look like it, but all right.
Well, there's speed bumps, so.
Yeah, I see it. Now, they got the Tesla charger case, eco-friendly. Ain't that expensive.
Oh, okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. What's this? Okay, got a little fake basement
Not a fake basement.
with the little workout
It's a
thingamajig.
workout one. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh,
Oh,
my bad.
a little bath.
Put your name in there. I don't want to put my name.
It's a full bathroom, actually.
What if I want a guest workout? Let's see. I want to be a guest workout. Nigga, guest. Okay, they won't let me. But what are these?
I don't think
I like it.
that's a full bathroom right there.
That's a odd, or not odd, interesting color choice. Okay. I like the gold, brushed gold. Step back. This is decent. This is decent. This is decent. I like the little workout area. Check out the closet space. Oh, this is different. So, oh wow, maybe that's not a closet. It's just like a little cubby thingamajig. Okay. I would have did something. Well, there's no furniture here, but I would do something with this little section right here. I'm not letting that. But 620, no space is going unused.
All right. Okay.
All right.
Space here.
I'm not.
You can meet you a
Fan of
friend, have
these,
your
but
neighbors
this is
talk
nice.
to across the thing.
I see quite a few are going with the two different color cabinets now. This light gray and then a blue. Well, you can't see it, but it's
The
over
blue is
here.
bottom, and then the top is gray. I'm not opposed to the multicolored cabinets, like the different. I'm not opposed to that. We got a room over here as well.
So it's two floors. Oh, this is where you're, it's kind of tight, but
Okay.
I like the gold, the brushed gold look. It's starting to look more, what's that, bronze-ish?
Then we have room in here.
Why, thanks. So this the main, nah, this can't be, oh, okay. It's a decent view. It's a nice window. You get to look at a bunch of LG things. I don't know what they are. Huh? Okay. I like this closet system. I don't think I've ever seen this kind. Straight like it. The drawers are kind of small though. Like, what are you gonna put in there? One t-shirt each? Or maybe one button up each. Yeah. Got it.
Okay, cool. I do not like the use of space up here. I guess, I don't know. Both the bedrooms are very tiny. I think that they could have done better on the space of the bedrooms, considering.
Oh, it's just one room up here?
Yep.
So what is
This is the roof.
this supposed to be? Like it's like a bar area?
Yeah.
I mean, it's for bachelors. This ain't for no.
I mean, I guess, but it's
family.
such a.
I mean, it can't. Okay, I guess it can be for a small family. For sure. It's what, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths? I like the tile. So they want to go everywhere. This is probably not a good idea. But that's how they had to do it for the space. Oh. Oh, they still painting it like the ceilings ain't that short. I guess they tall enough. She done broke the door. They did.
Okay.
Oh no, it's tight. I don't think I like this. I don't like that at all. If I drop, hold on. Yeah, this ain't. I don't like that. They would have to give me a solid floor. I ain't joking. I don't want to see the bottom. Let me. If I'm gonna fall, I want to guess how far down it is.
Okay.
For real. It's dope. Go have a little BBQ out here with the friends. Not many friends, kind of small. Probably invite 2 people. Did she lock me out? Hope not. I don't like this. Oh. Who thought this was a good idea? Close that. I don't like it because of that.
I don't really like the floors either.
Yeah, they
The
fake.
spots in the wood. I don't know. I don't like it.
It's just too much white. Should have did at least some kind of accent color or what? Something.
Well,
I mean, I don't mind white walls, but if I'm gonna do a white wall, I need color somewhere else. So I'm gonna have cabinets of brighter color. The fixtures is gold. I guess that's fine. Blue is
well, I don't like the usage of the space for the bedrooms. I don't like the floors. Other than that, I kind of enjoy it.
just slide. Oh, okay, hold it. There we go. Got 4 on this one.
That on it?
Yeah.
You feeling safe?
A little bit. I like that big red building. It's very, like, empty over around here. Maybe they ain't sell them yet. Sell enough of them yet.
I give it a solid 7 out of 10.
Nah.
What you give it?
Like, oh, for that price, I wouldn't dare. 620? You know what I can buy for 620,000?
I'm just saying, what do you rate it?
4. Go find a movie or something. Get me one of them ginger drinks.
One of them ginger drinks.
I like them ginger drinks.
You almost died off of the ginger beer.
No. The one that Imagine makes.
It was Imagine.
Oh yeah, that was that. What's in here? Oh, look in here. Oh, it's a huge water tank. Nothing else. I would definitely make use of this space though.
You gotta, I don't know. I just don't think it's got it. But everybody got their thing. Maybe this person's a minimalist. Isn't in town much. I don't know.
What y'all think? I need some sunlight. There we go. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe too. Get that package. They don't need it.